Hey friends, hi. So in this video we'll understand how you can create a faceless YouTube channel completely on automation. So if you are a content creator, a marketer, a YouTuber, if you're looking forward to create your YouTube channel and get a lot of views, and you have some genre in mind which you want to work upon, but then you don't really have to come, you don't really want to come show up on the camera and create the whole content. You can actually create a faceless YouTube channel completely on automation, which is effortless. In this video I'll be showing you a platform, AI video generator, which can help you create faceless YouTube channel without much efforts. So let's get started. As you can see right on the screen right now, I'm on my channel which I've recently created. Now this channel is all about mindfulness, and it's a complete faceless channel where I have put up this entire content which I've put up on the channel is faceless and has been created using this AI video generator. And this channel is completely on automation. I don't have to really create the content, nor do I have to really upload the content. The entire thing, the entire heavy lifting is done by this software, which I'll be showing you just in a minute. So before I do that, as you can see, I've uploaded these videos, have all got uploaded on my channel, which is a very new channel. I've just created this about 2 weeks back. I've already gained some 8 subscribers. 12 videos are uploaded. As you can see, every video has some decent views on it. This one got about 371 views, which was just uploaded yesterday. This got 87 views. This got about 428 views, 42 views. This is 411 views, 413 views. So all of these views are organic, and it just happened once I uploaded, or rather the software uploaded the videos. So the entire content has been on automation. Now let me show you the software which I've used to create this channel and upload this content. So let me present Autoshorts AI. Now this is the platform which I've been using to create faceless videos for my channel. As you can see, the caption says faceless videos on autopilot, and you can create your faceless videos in just 3 steps. Now this platform gives you vertical videos, and you can generate all the vertical videos using this platform very easily. So the way it works is, once you sign up, you got to create, you got to pick up the topic. They have various topics on which you can create faceless vertical videos. So you got to first select the topic, whichever topic that you want to create on it. They have some pre-done topics up there, so you got to select that. Next, once you've selected the topic, the video is automatically generated. You can preview the video right here. You can edit the video, the text, whatever you want to edit, some scenes and all. They have their online editor. You can do that using this editor, and then you can manage your series. So you can give the you can actually connect your YouTube channel, your Instagram. Not really Instagram, I'm sorry, but you can connect your YouTube, and you can connect your TikTok, and primarily you can connect all of the channels. So next, what you got to do is, let me just show you let me just go up here and one sec. So if I go to the dashboard, yeah, it's just loading up here. So this is the dashboard. This is my dashboard on the software, and yeah, I just want to show you. This is, yeah. So see, so I've selected the genre as philosophy, and the software is auto generating the entire content. So this video has been generated, and the script is entirely there. You can always edit the script from here and regenerate the video if you want. So once you edit the script, it will give you an option of update the video, and the scenes will be generated. If you want to see how the video has come out, let me just play this video for you.
What is infinity? A concept that transcends our finite understanding, pushing the boundaries of imagination and contemplation. The paradox lies in its elusive nature, a number larger than any countable quantity, yet never reaching a definitive end. Infinity dances between the tangible and the abstract, existing in mathematics, philosophy, and the universe itself. It challenges our notions of limit.
Right, so these are the kind of videos that you will get on Autoshorts, all animated. I've given the sign up link to the software in the description of the video. You can go out there and sign up and get started. So you can create your free account. So that's the kind of videos they give you, nicely animated, stunning videos that you get. And as you can see, faceless videos, completely on automation. All you gotta do is you gotta select your topic and the rest, and connect your channel. You want to connect your YouTube, you want to connect your TikTok, whichever platform you want to connect. So you can do that. Primarily it is used extensively for YouTube, so it's very good if you're looking at YouTube faceless channel. This is a perfect platform. So that's all you got to do. And even from the, if you want to see the the package, the subscription to Autoshorts is very reasonably priced. It starts as low as about $19. So let me just, I think it's just coming up. Yeah. So if I go down, just a sec, I think it's taken a little while. Yeah. So as you can see, the plans starts with the $0, the free one. You can create one video out of this. If you start with $19, you can post 3 times a week, and it's auto posting. All it does, the software does it all. And with $13 you get you can post actually once a day, and you can have one series. If you do $69, you can post twice a day and you have one series. So that's how it is. You start as low as $9, and you can, with $9 you can create your faceless YouTube channel completely on automation for a month, which is extremely good. And as I showed you, I have my own channel which I created using Autoshorts, and this entire channel is on automation, or entire content is on automation. I don't put in any effort to create the content, and it's been giving me pretty good views and stuff already. So already building the traction. So check out this platform. I've given the link to this platform in the description of this video. Sign up and get started. I hope you found some value in the video. Do subscribe our channel, and I'll see you sometime very soon in the next video. Thanks. Bye.